Hello everyone, welcome back to my codelibrary.net channel. In this video tutorial, I would like to talk about advanced concept in csharp programming.net in csharp program. In this video, we will talk about LINQ. LINQ means that language integrated queries is the concept that we use queries syntax inside the csharp programming language. So if we go to see the LINQ, overview of LINQ. LINQ is a name for a set of technology that based on integration query capability direct into csharp. So we can use query language inside csharp. That is the powerful that we can manipulate data and can query data, filter data inside csharp programming language with the loop calls such as array, list, and collection. It can work with collection, and it also can work with data source like a database, JSON file, and especially you can work many with this LINQ that is powerful. So as you can see the example, you can see I have one array is a score. So I can make a LINQ expression that we can say I enumerable integer select score query from score in score where score greater than and select. So this is all keyword that we say LINQ because we can use structure query language in csharp. So it's a powerful of LINQ. And then you execute LINQ query by using loop structure. Okay, you can using loop structure. So now let's get started to practice with LINQ. I can open Visual Studio. Can create project console application. Click console app.net framework and click next. You can say LINQ app. You can choose location where to save project directory. You can click create. Waiting a moment for project creates. Okay, now you have a console application here that we use system.LINQ. So you can see you have one array and we will use LINQ for query data, and then we use loop for execute. So example, I have one array, I declare arrays score equals I can copy this. Example, I have this score. Oh, you can make with this. Okay, now I can use LINQ to perform query language I enumerable. Okay, I enumerable I enumerable with types is integer because we use the type integer. Score queries score query equals, and we use query language equal from score. This score is a new variable in score. From score in score we create new variable that instead of score array here. From score in score where score greater than 80 select score. Okay, now this is a query that we use to filter data or manage data. We use query language that we use query inside C# program. So now I can use for each loop. I can use for it to manipulate or execute this query. Score in score query. I can say console dot write LINQ score. Okay, now this is a simple way that you can use LINQ or language integrated query inside C# program. So let's save and test to run the program. Okay, now you can see only score value more than or greater than 80 it exists, and so the result. But the score below 80 is not allowed. It is what happened when we use LINQ query. Okay, LINQ is used with the collection such as a list, array, list, all the collection type that we use with the data structure is we use LINQ. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the video. Thank you.